Hi, I'm Vern with TaxCore, and you're here today to talk about the Offer and Compromise Program. The way the Offer and Compromise Program works is this. You owe the IRS some money and you're not able to pay it, and you don't think you're ever going to be able to pay it. So we're going to create an application for you. It's called an Offer and Compromise Package. It's about 30 to 40 pages of documentation that we're going to have to provide to the Internal Revenue Service, breaking down your financial wherewithal to pay off any debt that you have. So we're going to create a form. It's called a collection information statement. We're going to collect all of your information, bank records, current bills and liabilities, equity in any assets that you may have, if you have any. We'll provide this to the Internal Revenue Service. There's two types of Offer and Compromise programs. There is a full payment portion, and then there is a installment agreement portion. The full payment portion is where you will make a deposit up front and pay the Internal Revenue Service a certain amount of money. If they accept your offer to pay off the tax liability for less than you owe, then you're required to make the full payment at the end once they accept it, and it goes away. If you do the installment agreement option, you will make, if they accept your offer, 5 equal payments afterwards, and then the tax liability will go away. So there are a lot of misconceptions about the Offer and Compromise Program. Lots of people think, well, I owe $200,000 in tax and I'm not going to be able to pay it, so I'm just going to make an offer to pay $25,000. Well, the IRS does not just negotiate away unpaid taxes. The IRS has to make a determination that the amount that you're offering to pay is the most that they will ever be able to get from you at any point in time in the future. So typically, some of the requirements are that you can't own any assets. You can't have any equity in a home. You can't have any vacation property or rental property. You can't have any big retirement account set to the side with assets in it. The IRS is going to require that you divest yourself of all those assets, meaning sell everything off to try to pay off your tax liability before they will start writing away tax. Now, there's several different types of offers in compromise. There are offers in compromise where they doubt that you'll ever be able to pay it. There's offers in compromise programs as that they doubt that the assessment, the tax that you owe is even valid. Maybe it was done by mistake. And there's effective administration, thinking that the best way to resolve this problem with you is just to let it go away because it's unfair to make you pay this huge amount of tax for whatever reason. So the Offer and Compromise Program is not a quick process. Currently, the turnaround time is well over 6 months from the time you submit an application until the Internal Revenue Service makes a determination. So if you're thinking about making an offer to settle your tax debt for less than you actually owe, you'll need to come and see us here at TaxCore. We're able to get this done for you relatively low cost and pretty quick, but you've got to turn in all of your information up front first. We'll produce all of your information, put all in a tax return for you, Offer and Compromise package, get all of your supporting documentation, and turn to the Internal Revenue Service. Now, I won't lie to you. If I feel like making an offer is not in your best interest because all they're going to do is deny it, I'll tell you about it. I'll be upfront with you and very clear. But if you do qualify for an installment agreement, or I think there's a decent chance of it being accepted, I will absolutely work it with you. It's always your choice as the client to make the determination whether you want to do an installment agreement or if you want to do the Offer and Compromise. So if you're interested in doing an Offer and Compromise and you think that's your best resolution, give us a call here at TaxCore. We'll definitely help you get on the right track and get it filed for you quickly.